I welcome friends from the media, both the print and visual media. First, let me introduce ourselves. We are representing PA College of Engineering. Under the aegis of PA Educational Trust. We have our Director Administration, Mr. K.M. Hanif, on my left side. We have our Registrar, Mr. Iqbal. We have a Principal of PA Polytechnic, Professor Ramlingan Gaud. Myself, Dr. R.G. D'Souza, Administrative Officer for PA Educational Trust Institutions. We have our Legal Counsel, Advocate Udayananda. This press meet is actually called to clarify certain allegations, certain events, certain clippings and certain news items which have been coming in the various media, both the print and the visual media. We have circulated a press note both in Kannada and English, and I would like to briefly tell you what is happening. Just in the second week of September, that is somewhere on 9th of September 2010, there was a report in the news, one of the channels, which said that there was a ragging incident which has occurred in our college premises, that is in the hostels of our college premises. Most of the various channels, various newspapers also carried this news. And since we were closed for these 3 days, Eid ul-Fitr, Ganesh Chaturthi and the ensuing Sunday, we could have our because we received a lot of phone calls from various quarters, including the parents, the present students, they are our well-wishers. So we could conduct an internal inquiry, because what was alleged or what was shown in these various reports, both the print and the visual, was that there was an incident of ragging and there was a clipping that was being shown. So we went to the clipping, we verified the clipping, we had an internal inquiry conducted, a disciplinary committee. Since the disciplinary committee is headed by our Director Administration, he constituted an inquiry committee. Based on the inquiry committee, we had some conclusions that were drawn. Based on the conclusions, what we would like to say is that the students in the video clipping were actually from the PA Polytechnic, admitted in the year 2009, and they were studying together for the last 15 months, and they were not fresh batch of students. Students were not being ragged, but the video itself was a recording of a rehearsal for a skit by the students. And presently these students are in 3rd semester, and one of the students, Mr. Abdullah, was not a student right now, meaning to say he was not a regular student but a repeater who had to stay at home, study and answer the area papers, and he was not coming for classes now. And students, we have taken statements from the students also, which categorically say that they had recorded, one among them had recorded the whole episode in their study holidays somewhere in October 2009. So what happened, the police, who also went through these various clippings, news reports, they rushed to our college and inquired what is going on behind this, and we had to clarify. So based on that, we have also supplied that information which has been given to the police department. It's an information given by our Director Administration requesting the police to actually go through the veracity of the video clippings and what news is being circulated, whether it is proper. But the FIR was lodged based on this. The FIR copy also has been supplied to our friends from the press. But what happened after this filing of the FIR, the whole news got distorted. And what was said was that management had agreed, that is why an FIR was lodged. Based on the FIR, the news reports going on, these allegations were made that we had agreed and an inquiry was going on and criminal procedures are going on and all, FIR was lodged. That is what was said based on the complaint of the Director Administration, whereas it was an information. The verbatim, the same copy which was supplied to the police department has been supplied to our friends from the press. And what we would like to clarify through this press meet is, whatever allegation made regarding PA College of Engineering students getting involved in an incident of ragging is baseless. There is no evidence, and clearly this was a news planted by somebody with a malicious intent of tarnishing the image and reputation of our engineering college. In our next, we would like to say we are our institution, PA College of Engineering. I again clarify, this report itself said that these students were from PA College of Engineering, but these students are of PA Polytechnic third semester, and this was not a ragging incident as purportedly told in the various places. So we are given what is our credibility, what is the institution, how reputed it is. Yeah.